If your company is too small, you don't need to personalize your marketing. Welcome back to our channel, eCommerce Know-How, and today we're going to discuss how eCommerce personalization tools for tailored shopping experiences. Number 7. Clerk.io. Clerk.io is an e-commerce customization software that analyzes customer behavior, trends, and transactions to deliver relevant search results, product recommendations, related content, email campaigns, advertisements, and more to them. Clerk.io automates personalization and relevance for many online retailers worldwide, increasing sales by 15 to 30% on average. Busy web shop owners, they want to free up their time while increasing conversions with no effort. They have a proprietary AI technology called Clerk Core that integrates with the most popular e-commerce platforms. Number 6. Nosto. Nosto analyzes your client's behavior, learning their likes and dislikes, and then delivers automated, personalized recommendations in real time. Nosto's pricing is determined by your store's sales as well as the sale that Nosto's created for you. As a result, you only pay the sales that Nosto assists you in making. There are no predetermined fees, installation costs, or obligations. Nosto provides very precise information on how your store is performing. Nosto's recommendations are made in real time by a self-learning engine that detects which goods the client has browsed and makes recommendations based on their activity, all in real time. This tool is something you must consider. Number 5. WebEngage. Aside from personalizing your website, WebEngage assists D2C brands in connecting with their customers via 9 marketing channels, including app notifications, SMS, email, WhatsApp, and others. Its data platform assists you in collecting customer data, integrating it, and segmenting your audience to map your entire customer lifecycle, providing you with extremely detailed insights to make data-driven decisions. To gain access to WebEngage's vast array of features, you must request a demo, and their team will consult you to determine how the product can assist you. Number 4. MoEngage. MoEngage builds itself as a platform for customer engagement. With their technology, the goal is to help you increase sales, retain customers, and grow your business. Aside from customizing your website, the platform allows you to map out your customer's journey, segment your audience in great detail, and use geofencing to send specific messages to customers who are close to your location. MoEngage's omni-channel capabilities include email, SMS, mobile notifications, app messaging, cards, and the ability to retarget your Facebook ads audiences. You can now request a free demo trial to test out the product before contacting MoEngage's team if you need to upgrade one of their plans. For the most part, the platform is simple to use, and you can always learn how to use the most advanced features from their knowledge base or support team. Number 3. Yieldify. Yieldify aims to make digital personalization easier for you by providing an all-in-one platform that meets all your requirements. It makes use of their AI and ML engine to assist you with data-driven personalization, performance monitoring, and actionable insights. When it comes to personalization, Yieldify offers a wide range of tools to improve the shopping experience, including A/B/N testing and email remarketing. There's almost too much good stuff I want to implement on the platform. It's hard to keep up sometimes, one verified G2 user says. To try the product, request a demo from the sales team and they'll assist you in getting onboarded. Then, as a paid user, you can even work with their team to fully utilize Yieldify's features. Number 2. BlueScore. BlueScore is a multi-channel platform that integrates your customer data and uses artificial intelligence to help you personalize your marketing. It supports 3 channels: the website, the email, and advertisements. When it comes to segmenting and personalization, BlueScore integrates all your customers' data into their platform, ensuring that your campaigns are consistent. Number 1. Site.ai. Site.ai bills itself as a platform for product discovery. It's powered by a visual AI that recognizes items within an image, breaks them down, and recommends similar products from your inventory to ensure customers will find what they're looking for. Their visual product discovery suite enables you to include camera search on your website, as well as recommendation carousels and a discovery button that allows customers to browse more similar products. Furthermore, Site.ai provides hyper-personalization based on real-time behavioral data, as well as a search antecedent suite for more advanced research. To use the product, you must first schedule a demo before receiving a quote. In addition, your company must generate at least 100,000 monthly sessions. And with that being said, it's time to end our video. Have you used any of these tools before? Let us know in the comments. Like this video and subscribe to the channel for more amazing videos like this. We'll see you in the next video.